Find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without interruptions. Close your eyes. Start by inhaling deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, expanding your abdomen. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Do this about 3 times. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you breathe, imagine you're in a spacious, cool forest. A gentle breeze caresses your face. You feel the crunch of leaves beneath your feet and the murmur of a nearby stream. With each inhalation, perceive the forest air entering your nose, pure, fresh, and refreshing. Feel it fill your lungs and descend into your abdomen. As you exhale, release tension, thoughts, and accumulated fatigue. Listen to the distant bird song, the sound of the wind through the trees. Observe the rays of sunlight filtering through the branches. Notice how your body begins to calm and your mind quiets. With each deep breath, feel the forest envelop you with a serene and restorative energy. Stay in this safe space for a minute, breathing slowly and deeply. Whenever you want, gently move your fingers. Be grateful for this moment and open your eyes. You have created a space of presence, calm, and care. You can come back to this breathing whenever you need to.